guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. This is the look I'll be doing for you guys today. If you're interested in it, just keep on watching. So I'm going to go into my Zulu palette and I'm going to take this yellow shade. On the Saharan 2 palette, I'm going to take this burnt orange shade and just put that in my crease lower than the yellow. Now that we have that, I'm going to go into the masquerade palette and I'm going to take the shade Ada, this here, and put it right on top of what we just. So guys, this is what I have so far. I went into the Saharan palette for my inner corner. I used the shade Marrakesh. Besides that shadow, I'm going to use Nomad. This the one in the dead center. Same palette, the Saharan 2 palette. I'm going to mix this shade and this shade. Actually, I'm going to mix all three and put it on the outer V. To deepen up, as you can see right here is deep, like dark. So I'm going to use my Nubian 2 and I'm going to take Jezebel and Kenya. So this one and this one. Guys, to do this pink eyeliner, I used the UV Glow Neon Face and Body Paint. I'm just trying something different, but I have to go over the line like several times because this is so liquidy. I've always wanted to try touch up products, so I went on Sephora and I bought the travel size for the deep cleanse and the water cream. I just use it like twice. This is the deep cleanse, such a deep cleanse, and it's like I don't know what to call it, but it's like an exfoliator, right? And it comes with the water cream moisturizer. So I just going to use a little bit today. I'll let you guys know if I hate it or love it. But Tatcha skincare products are really good. That's why I even picked it up. Moisturizing, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Just a little spray of that. And the star of the show, I finally got my hands on the Fenty Pro Primer and the, what's this called? Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. So I'm going to try these products today. It's not a first impression because I've done it before, but I used a different primer. So I'm going to, this is my first time testing the two products together. So I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and about a pump. I think a pump is fine, or maybe 2 pumps. Okay, now that we have the primer on, it's not sticky, but I can feel, I know I have on product. Anywho's, I'm going to go in with the foundation, and I got the shade 440. Guys, I'm trying to record it in so many different modes because my camera keeps getting dark and I don't know how to fix it. So if you know what the problem might be, can you comment down below please. So I'm going to go in with the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. It says to shake well, so let's follow the instructions. And I'm just going to go in with like 3 pumps on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take a flat foundation brush and just paint it on my face. So guys, this is the Fenty foundation. This is what we're working with. The skin looks amazing. And it's glass, so be careful with the bottle. For my under eye concealer, I got this Yves Saint Laurent sample in the Sephora purchase that I made, and this is the magic wand. So they gave me the shade number 1, 2 and 4.5, and I'm just going to use 4.5 under my eyes. Holy crow! What kind of white people something them Sephora send me? Alright. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Like, we don't need to freak out. I'm just gonna use all of it, and on top of that I'm going to add a concealer. Alright. And we're going to blend this away, or blend it out. I don't like the texture of the concealer. Anyways, to contour, I'm going to use my Black Walnut from Black Opal. I'm going to set under my eyes with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to set the highlighted areas actually with this powder, and then for the rest of my face I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder, because the foundation is kind of on the red side. I like to use a yellow tone powder to kind of balance it out. I am going to bronze, and to bronze I'm going to use my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronzer, and this is my chrome brushes. If you guys saw my BoxyCharm video, this is one of the brushes I got in it. I'm going to use my Ofra blush. As you guys, if you guys watched my BoxyCharm video, you will see that I don't know the name of the blush, but yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, guys, I'm into, for my lower lash line, I'm going back into the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm just going to take my pencil brush into the orange shade and dust that in my lower lash, they call here, so my lower lash line before I put the blue shadow. And then I'm going to use the blue from the same palette and just put that along my waterline. Not my waterline, my lash line. I'm going to put black in my water. I'm going to try something different. I got this, what is it? Shimmer veil in my... I've been using my BoxyCharm products though. Like when I have my Ipsy, I don't really use it as much. But I just going to put this here. See here, I'm just going to put a little bit of it in my, you know, corner. And I'm going to put some on my cheek. I'm going to put it on my hand first because I don't want to go too overboard with it, because I'll be adding a kilowatt from Fenty Beauty, so I don't want to go overboard with the shimmer veil. The kilowatt I'm going to go in with is Hustler Baby, and what I did, I purchased the baby balm. I got the gloss balm and the Hustler Baby. So these are like mini ones. This is it. I have the FB, the Fenty Beauty stamped in it. Hustler Baby. God, I love this thing. Or you see, like look at here. Just take a screenshot. If you watch this video, take a screenshot of me right now and tag me on Instagram. That's it. Like, oh yeah. Okay guys, the final step is to the lips, and for lips I'm going to do like a nude mauve tone. So first I'm going to line my lips with some brown eyeliner. On top of that, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lippy in the shade Stingray, and I'm just going to put a little bit. And on top of that, I'm going to go in with a gloss balm from Fenty Beauty. This thing smells like Chocoberry Fin Kool-Aid. If you guys know that Kool-Aid, flavor Kool-Aid, if you know it, which you should, that's exactly how it smells. It smells like Chocoberry Fin. And I think I found my new favorite gloss. You guys know I was obsessed with the Maybelline Shine Shot, but Fenty Beauty kind of just killed that relationship. Anyways guys, this is the final look. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.